Check out this 2008 Buick Lucerne. This is the set of wheels you've been looking for, with a reliable 6-cylinder engine. The powertrain includes front-wheel drive, driven by an automatic transmission. You will appreciate the safety feature of anti-lock brakes. Indulge in the comfort of heated seats. Enjoy the comfort of dual temperature controls, and memory settings make for a more comfortable ride. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing ride. Keyless entry, leather seats, power door locks, power windows, cruise control, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player, a satellite radio. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing that these top safety components are included: front ventilated disc brakes, curtain head airbags, passenger airbag, side airbag, traction control, daytime running lights, low tire pressure warning. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.